One of the biggest questions that I received was about packaging and boxes and how do I ship my stuff. So here's kind of the super entry level of what you need to buy. So the first thing is tape. So with this, I get this from being an eBay store person, owning a store. eBay sends me every quarter, I can get 50 bucks worth of tape. But if you can't get tape through eBay, if you don't own a store, then another suggestion is find cheap tape, whether it's through Costco or somewhere else. The second thing you're gonna need is a scale. So because I have a large business, have two different types. The first one that I have is for very large boxes. This is a talking scale. This does up to 550 pounds, which is complete overkill, but you put a box on here and it will tell you what the weight is. The other one that I use is this is really a food scale, but I use this for my packages. This is the most accurate one that I've found, is using food scales to weigh your packages. Bubble wrap. You need bubble wrap. The best place to buy it is a company called American Bubble Boy, where you can get shipped to your house, 40 bucks, two of these. These I believe are the small bubbles, 700 feet worth. This lasts me a pretty good time with a large size business, so if you buy the two of these, it'll last you a very, very long time. These are ear pillows. So you probably have received these when you get an Amazon package. They really work and they take up a lot of room. You can get these on eBay or other sites. You know, I typically like to buy 60 to 90 gallons worth of this. It does a good job, and I definitely recommend having this. Packing peanuts. Buy the anti-static ones. It may cost you a couple dollars more. Having the ones that are all staticky is a nightmare. These definitely are a lifesaver, especially if you have something fragile. You can just fill these into a box. It saves you a ton of time. Spend the money to get these kind of things because it will save you time that you can use to list other stuff. This is a craft paper dispenser. So this I buy directly off of Uline. This box is about 50 bucks, but it is definitely worth it. So you just pull this out and you can fill any kind of box that has extra space with this stuff. It is an absolute time saver. It's worth every single penny, and the best one is at Uline. The best thing you can do is getting free boxes, which this is what I do. Everyone I know who has a box, they flatten it, they give it to me. I get them from all friends and family. And then also, anytime you have food and the food doesn't touch the box, it's in some sort of plastic container, I reuse all of my food boxes. I use every box that I can get. It saves a ton of money. And buy a ton of different size poly bags. They really come in handy.